Animal Kingdom. Hello and welcome to Animal Kingdom. Today we are going to showcase the top 10 most ordinary animals that are anything but ordinary. These creatures may seem like they're a dime a dozen, but they each have unique traits and abilities that make them stand out from the crowd. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed at what makes these everyday animals so special. Let's get started with number 10 on our list, the rabbit. Rabbits are adorable and beloved animals that can be found in fields, meadows, and even suburban neighborhoods all over the world. These fluffy creatures are known for their long ears, which can grow up to 10 centimeters in length. However, did you know that their ears are not just for show? Rabbits' ears serve an important purpose in regulating their body temperature, helping them stay cool in the summer heat. Another interesting fact about rabbits is their unique digestive system. They are herbivores and have a specialized digestive tract that allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food, even from low-quality or fibrous plant material. This digestive process involves two types of fecal pellets, which are produced by the rabbit's large intestine. The first type is soft and rich in nutrients, which rabbits eat directly from their anus, a process called coprophagy. The second type of pellet is dry and hard, and is expelled from the body as waste. Rabbits are also known for their ability to reproduce quickly. A female rabbit can give birth to as many as 12 bunnies in a single litter, and can have up to 5 litters per year. This reproductive ability has helped them thrive in the wild and adapt to various environments. At number 9, we have the house mouse. Despite being considered a pest by many, these tiny rodents are fascinating creatures. They are found all over the world and are known for their remarkable adaptability, being able to live in almost any environment. The house mouse is typically around 7.5 to 10 centimeters long, with a tail that is almost as long as its body. They are incredibly agile and can squeeze through openings as small as 6 millimeters in diameter, which is about the size of a pencil eraser. These little rodents are also prolific breeders, with females capable of giving birth to up to 10 litters per year. Each litter can contain up to 12 baby mice, meaning that a single pair of mice can produce up to 144 offspring in a year. Despite their reputation as pests, house mice play a critical role in the animal kingdom. They are prey for many larger animals, such as snakes, birds of prey, and domestic cats, and they also help to disperse seeds and provide food for predators. At number 8, we have the commonly overlooked and sometimes even despised pigeons. Pigeons are often seen as pests, but they are much more than that. These birds are found all around the world and have adapted well to living alongside humans. Pigeons come in different colors and patterns, but most are gray with iridescent feathers. They have a plump body, small head, and short neck, and can grow up to 12 inches in length with a wingspan of around 20 inches. Interestingly, pigeons are known to recognize themselves in mirrors, which indicates that they have a certain level of self-awareness. One of the most remarkable features of pigeons is their sense of direction. They are able to find their way home even if they have been released far away from their nesting place. Scientists believe that pigeons use the Earth's magnetic field as a kind of compass to orient themselves. In fact, some homing pigeons have been known to fly over 700 miles to reach their destination. Pigeons are also highly social animals and often form large flocks. They communicate with each other using a range of sounds, including cooing, whistling, and clapping their wings. Pigeons mate for life and are devoted parents, taking turns to incubate their eggs and feed their young. In some cultures, pigeons are considered symbols of peace, love, and loyalty. In fact, pigeons were used as messengers in ancient times, and even in modern times, pigeons have been used to carry messages during war. At number 7, we have the snail. These slow-moving creatures have a lot more to them than meets the eye. Snails belong to the mollusk family, and they come in various shapes, size, and colors. They are found all over the world, from deserts to rainforests, and even in your backyard. One of the most interesting things about snails is their mouth. Unlike most animals, snails have thousands of tiny teeth arranged in rows on their tongue, which they use to scrape and shred their food. They eat a variety of things, including leaves, flowers, and even other snails. Snails are also known for their ability to produce a slimy mucus trail that helps them move and protects them from predators. This slime is also used in cosmetics and skincare products due to its hydrating and exfoliating properties. Another fascinating fact about snails is their ability to hibernate for years if conditions are not favorable. During hibernation, they retract into their shell, seal themselves in with a layer of slime, and reduce their metabolism to survive until conditions improve. Despite their slow pace, snails are highly successful animals, with over 150,000 species living on Earth today. Buzzing in at number 6, bees are one of the most important insects in our world. Not only do they play a crucial role in pollinating flowers and crops, but they also produce honey, beeswax, and other useful products. There are over 20,000 species of bees, and they can be found on every continent except for Antarctica. One fascinating fact about bees is that they have a complex social structure, with a queen bee leading the colony and worker bees carrying out various tasks such as collecting nectar and pollen, caring for the young, and defending the hive. Each bee has a specific job to do and works together to ensure the survival of the colony. Bees are able to communicate with each other through a series of dance moves, which they use to convey information about the location of food sources. They are also able to navigate over long distances using the position of the sun, making them highly efficient at foraging for food. They have a sophisticated internal compass that allows them to determine the direction of the sun even on cloudy days. When a bee finds a good source of nectar, it will return to the hive and perform a dance that indicates the direction and distance of the food source. This dance allows other bees to find the nectar as well, ensuring that the entire colony can benefit from the discovery. Swarming in at number 5, ants are some of the most common insects found all over the world. They come in a variety of size, ranging from just a few millimeters to several centimeters in length. Ants are known for their strength, with some species capable of carrying objects up to 50 times their own weight. They are also social insects, living in large colonies with a complex hierarchy and division of labor. One of the most interesting aspects of ants is their ability to communicate with each other through chemical signals known as pheromones. These pheromones are used to mark trails, alert other ants to danger, and help ants identify other members of their colony. Ants also have a sophisticated navigation system, which allows them to find their way back to the colony even when they travel long distances. They use a combination of visual cues, scent trails, and the position of the sun to navigate. In addition to their incredible communication and navigation abilities, Ants are also known for their agricultural skills. Some species of ants are able to cultivate fungi for food, while others keep herds of aphids and other insects, which they milk for honeydew. Ants are also important predators, controlling populations of other insects and small animals. Despite their small size, ants have a significant impact on the ecosystem. They are an important food source for many animals, and they help to aerate soil and distribute seeds. In fact, some researchers estimate that there are more than 10,000 trillion individual ants on the planet, making them one of the most abundant and successful animal groups in the world. Number 4. Hedgehogs. Welcome to the fascinating world of hedgehogs. These small and cute animals are found in many parts of the world, including Europe, Africa, and Asia. Hedgehogs have a unique appearance with their short legs, small ears, and long snouts. However, what really sets them apart from other animals is their spiny coat, which is made up of about 5,000 to 7,000 sharp spines. Despite their cute appearance, hedgehogs are actually solitary animals that come out at night to hunt for insects, worms, and other small creatures. They have poor eyesight, but their sense of smell and hearing are highly developed. Hedgehogs are also famous for their unique defense mechanism. When threatened, they will curl up into a tight ball, with their spines pointing outwards to protect themselves from predators. In addition to their interesting appearance and behavior, hedgehogs are also important for their role in controlling insect populations. They can eat up to 200 grams of insects each night, which makes them valuable allies for gardeners and farmers. Despite these challenges, many people still find hedgehogs fascinating and keep them as pets. Coming in at number 3, cows often seen grazing in fields or on farms. Cows are fascinating animals with unique characteristics. They are social animals that form close relationships with others in their herd, and they have a strong memory that allows them to recognize other cows and humans they have interacted with before. Cows are also known for their incredible sense of smell, which allows them to detect odors up to 5 miles away. This is important for their survival as they can detect predators or potential sources of food from a distance. One of the most fascinating aspects of cows is their complex digestive system. Cows are ruminants, which means they have a 4-chambered stomach that allows them to extract nutrients from tough plant material like grasses. They are able to digest cellulose, a carbohydrate found in plant cell walls, with the help of microorganisms in their stomachs. In fact, cows can eat up to 100 pounds of grass a day and can convert that into milk or meat for human consumption. Cows are also highly adaptable animals, able to live in a variety of environments from the cold of Canada to the heat of India. They have been domesticated by humans for thousands of years and are a valuable source of food, clothing, and other materials. And let's not forget their famous moo. They are also quite vocal animals with a range of sounds to communicate with each other. Clawing their way in at number 9, cats. Cats are one of the most popular and beloved pets around the world, and for good reason. They have a unique and fascinating set of physical and behavioral traits that make them stand out among other animals. Cats are agile and graceful creatures, known for their impressive jumping abilities and their ability to land on their feet, even when falling from great heights. They have flexible bodies, with a spine that can bend and twist in ways that are impossible for many other animals. In fact, Cats can rotate their ears independently to locate sounds and to communicate their moods to other cats and humans. One of the most interesting features of cats is their vocalization system. They have a wide range of sounds that they use to communicate with each other and with humans. From purring to meowing to growling, each sound has a unique meaning and purpose. For example, cats often purr when they are happy or content, while they may hiss or growl when they feel threatened or scared. In addition to their physical abilities, cats also have a unique set of behaviors and habits. They are known for their grooming habits, spending hours each day cleaning themselves and keeping their fur in pristine condition. They also have a strong hunting instinct, with the ability to catch prey using their sharp claws and teeth. Interestingly, cats have been domesticated for thousands of years, and they have developed a close relationship with humans. They are often kept as indoor pets, providing companionship and comfort to their owners. However, they also retain their independent nature and can be quite aloof at times. Dogs have been known as man's best friend for centuries, and for good reason. These amazing animals have evolved alongside humans for thousands of years and have adapted to become one of the most loyal and beloved pets in the world. Dogs come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny chihuahuas to massive Great Danes. They also have an incredible range of abilities, from herding sheep to guiding the blind. In fact, dogs are the only animal that have been specifically bred for their relationship with humans. One of the most fascinating things about dogs is their social behavior. They are highly social animals and have a natural instinct to form bonds with other animals, including humans. Dogs are able to read and interpret human body language, making them excellent at understanding human emotions and intentions. They are also highly attuned to their owners' voices and facial expressions, which is why they are often used as therapy animals. Dogs are also highly intelligent animals, capable of learning complex tasks and solving problems. They have an incredible sense of smell and hearing, which makes them excellent at detecting things that humans cannot. For example, some dogs are trained to sniff out bombs or drugs, while others are trained to assist people with disabilities or medical conditions. In addition to their working abilities, dogs are also wonderful companions. They have a unique ability to form strong emotional bonds with their owners, and are often seen as part of the family. They are loyal, affectionate, and have a seemingly endless capacity for love. It's no wonder they've earned the title of man's best friend and the winner of this list. And there you have it, the top 10 ordinary animals. While these animals may not be as exotic or strange as some of the other creatures we've explored on our show, they are still fascinating in their own right. So the next time you see a rabbit hopping through a field, a pigeon perched on a building, or an ant marching across your kitchen counter, take a moment to appreciate the amazing qualities that make them unique. It's easy to overlook these animals because they are so common, but they play an important role in our ecosystem and have adapted incredible abilities to survive and thrive in their environments. From the snail's slime trail to the cow's ability to detect odors from miles away, each of these animals have something special that sets them apart. And of course, we can't forget about our loyal companions, the dogs and cats who bring joy and companionship into our lives. Their incredible abilities and unique personalities make them a cherished part of many families. So next time you are feeling down, just remember that you have a furry friend waiting to cuddle up and make everything better. After all, as the saying goes, dogs are not our whole life, but they make our lives whole. Thank you for joining us on Animal Kingdom, and we hope you learned something new today.